This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make pork tacos. First, select a boneless pork shoulder or butt, about 3 to 4 pounds for optimal results. Next, season your pork generously with a mix of chili powder, cumin, oregano, garlic powder, and a good amount of salt and pepper. Then, slow cook it until it's fall-apart tender, ready for shredding. To achieve that perfect tenderness, braise your seasoned pork in a Dutch oven or slow cooker with a bit of broth or orange juice for about 3 to 4 hours, or until it easily shreds. Once cooked, remove the pork and shred it using 2 forks. Finally, crisp up the shredded pork in a hot pan with a little of its cooking liquid until golden brown and slightly crunchy. Now for the assembly. Warm your corn tortillas on a dry skillet or griddle until they are soft and slightly toasted, about 30 seconds per side. Pile a generous amount of that delicious, crispy pork into the center of each warm tortilla. Then, customize your tacos with your favorite toppings, like a fresh salsa, finely diced white onion, and a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. For the ultimate flavor boost, always finish your pork tacos with a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice right before serving. This simple step truly brightens all the rich flavors. Serve them immediately to enjoy the perfect combination of crispy pork, warm tortillas, and fresh toppings. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.